How to remove restrictions on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to remove your account restriction on Facebook. Perhaps you are receiving a message where you open the Facebook app and you go to profile stating account restricted. There are many few reasons why this occurs. It's important to understand that this process is temporary. Facebook may have noticed some spam behavior from your account, leading them to limit interactions on your account. This means you might not be able to post more than a specific amount of comments or post, share a reel, or upload photos. In such cases, Facebook has restricted your account. In most instances, you can attempt to fix this by logging out and then logging back in. Alternatively, using a VPN might help. Ensure that you have a VPN application installed on your device and then connect to it and see if that resolves the issue. If not, you'll need to report the problem directly to the Facebook. So here's what you can do. Open the Facebook application, select the account you want to sign in, and tap the three lines icon, scroll down, go to Help and Support, and choose Report a Problem. Then tap on Report a Problem option. You should be able to check your phone to report the problem or simply tap on it. After that, let Facebook know about your issue. You can attach few screenshots showing that your account is restricted. This way, you can hopefully remove the account restriction on Facebook. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.